Good morning, chop the morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Claude, and of course, today is another beautiful day. We are actually at the children's home. So today is the grand, what we call like grand day of installation of the solar security lights. I wanted to say the solar system, but I remember that the solar system, there's something we would like to talk to you. So the work is still ongoing, as you see, and this day today, I just came with some masons. There's something that we will talk and discuss with you a little bit, but don't get disappointed about this. And yeah, so make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, you leave us a comment, and I really appreciate your love and support, because slowly by slowly, I'll tell you why we are here again. Because you'll be asking me, why haven't you installed the security lights? The security lights are drying up. You can just check on my hands. These are my hands. There's a lot of paint. So yesterday we were really doing what you call like painting them. As you saw on the video, is very evident. We were painting them, so we cannot transport with them with the paint. They'll start sticking on people's hands, and also the people will be installing them. So just today will be the grand installation of those lights today. And also the same day, one of our subscribers, with the good heart, we can say so, on the other end, she's anonymous. She doesn't want to be known on social media. I respect that. Also, if you'll be donating or you'll be doing any donation, if you want to be mentioned in your name, it should be mentioned. But if you want it to be anonymous, I really respect that. Told me why is the boys dormitory stuck, and also on the other side, the boys really need to be in this room as soon as possible. You see the whole house. We really appreciate the YouTubers. They have really done a very good job. So it reached a point where financial status have really gone down a little bit, and also I met with one of the well-wishers and said that we can at least also push where we can. And that's why today we are here. A very good job done by YouTubers. Actually, you can just check what has really been done around here, and all the way. So today I'll be doing what you call like going to have some masons working around here. And as we speak right now, the work has started, and the work that has started around here is they want to do the leveling of this ground. So we want also this side to be levelized also, because indoor ground jomba indoor ground. So they've been told that this all one, it will be here and it will be compacted down. So as we speak, maybe siku moja tanua kovu mnavaa. I'm saying that because over here we have some nails and everything. Kovu means the gumboots. So we will be having gumboots so that as we work in here, you see, then we have some nails all the way downwards. So we just write it down, and also look, there's some metallic objects in here that can injure him. So maybe we'll have also gumboots for what we call like for the masons and handmen who are working in here. So kazi mzuri jomba. Tuko pamoja. Yeah. So this room, first room, we have this first room, and also it will be done what we call like finished up. So we are waiting for bricks and the masons, but today the work will be done is to levelize this room. There also another one in here. Murakazi ni safi naona. Kazi naanza. So the work has already started. As you see, everybody is just trying to have their own room. So we have this one, and another one here, another handman, and there are some who are also going to come with the same motive for having this. So you are all welcome, guys. If you have anything that you really wish to support, you are highly welcome. So this is not my idea. It's you people who really come up with these ideas. Check on how everything is, because there are some more boys who are sleeping in here, but we didn't need them to be pushed in here. This one to be renovated well, and beds also to be inserted in here, and they can start a new life home as home. My dream is actually to see Mama Esther having a relief, like things really moving on well. And I also thank you guys for this what's happening here. So I'll be also sharing with you the Masons who are really working here and what's going on, details to details, accountability on book, and also we'll be sharing with you what is happening around here. So yeah, let's wait and see, and we'll be installing some also solar. And there's something that really happened yesterday that I'll talk with Mama Esther, and she'll be sharing with you what is really happening around here. It really saddened me, but we thank God everything is safe. But that one really saddened me. But if you know you are the one who came and do that here, please just evade yourself and apologize, because you might not know how many hearts are here and how many hearts you are hurting. So please evade yourself and just come ask for mercy. You'll be forgiven. Thank you, and let's wait and see what's happening on this work. Okay, so guys, this is what's being done around, as you see. So at least this one, the way it is this way, it can be now compressed down, and no hippie. And then we'll put up the maram all the way. Also this side, you see the room is still ongoing. On this side we also have this end. Also the room is also clean, the work is still ongoing. Then they're going to bring up the maram, they compress it, then it will be more better. It's not like before when it was having hips. So for now it will be just done this way, compressed down, and they'll put what you call like maram, and then they do the concrete, and it will be better. I love the fact that the windows are very big and huge for air in and air out, the aeration, which is very good and amazing, you know. Yeah. So the work is still ongoing, and already we have what we call like they have brought sand. No, yeah, this is sand, and the mason there also is trying to just cover all those holes, all the holes over here, so that the boys can at least attest to be in a good place. This one, the work is so also ongoing. Unaona kazi inaenda vizuri jomba, inaenda vizuri kabisa. So the work is ongoing. So this one also should be done up there and everything. So for now, let us just level it, and yeah, it's better we put fundis here. We have 6 fundis. We're going to work with this at least in a day or 2 days. We will be done with this, and we are focusing on something else. Also, you see this over here, the work is going on. Mera nini ba teach bear. I'm telling him the work is going on well. So yeah, go to vizuri, then we see how it will going on. Yeah, nitaleta kuna chuma za inaleta za solar, mtanisaidia kuinstall huko. So this way, and I'll be going to, I'm telling them that I'm going to bring some solar lights, and then we will do what we call like install them right now, because it's a lot of work. So easy as now, and we'll be done with this. And yeah, mama naona kazi ni nzuri inaendelea. Yeah, so there's total cleaning in there, also on the boys dormitory, total cleaning, and everything will be done in a very nice way, slowly by slowly, one thing at a time, step by step, and keep on guys sharing with this, and we'll see how everything. There's a lot to be done here. Sometimes you might feel like it's a detailed information, because there's a lot. Toilet, I don't know what, everything, it's a lot. So let's go systematically, slowly by slowly, one by one, as we document it down, and everything will be really okay, you know. Yeah, work is ongoing. Kidogo tu mama, endelea tu. Work is ongoing, and it's being mopped with a very nice soap. This one is called Doffy, and it really smells now nicely now. Inanukia vizuri. Yeah, so the work is ongoing, and with us we are going with this slowly by slowly, guys. Everything slowly. There is a lot to be done, but everything step at a time. Don't give up. Whatever you have, slowly by slowly, it will be detailed down, and we'll be here on working on how everything is. Tengeza mapunda. Punda anatengeneza punda. It's called mapunda, guys. So they're trying to work on some parts of this, and they'll be seeing what will be happening. Oh, rudi mura, wacha story nyingi. Wacha zipigwe, nita kuitia maskari hapa mura. Wewe shida yako, wewe rudi mura. Wewe unaingia wapi? Mura suni ache mimi. Mura TikTok ama bro. Utaitwa maskari wewe mura. Wewe unakuja kusumbua madam hapa. Wewe toka nje kwanza, watu wafanye kazi, alafu utaingia baadaye. Yes sir. Sawa basi. Yes. Don't throw me. Do know me am English. Sawa basi. Wewe simama kwanza, madam akuje, tuite madam, akikuruhusu ni sawa. Akikuruhusu ni sawa. Unajua unasumbua watu. Watoto wako hapa wanasoma. Wewe umekuja ukiwa umelewa. Wewe unakuja ukiwa umelewa, unasumbua watu. Sikujui, lakini mbona unaingia kwa orphanage? Hapa ni watoto wako hapa. Kuna watoto wa kike hapa. Kuna watoto wadogo wamelewa hapa. Mbona unasumbua watu? Nini kimekuleta? Swali ni moja, nini kimekuleta hapa? I'm a madam. Wewe ni madam? Wewe ni madam? I'm a sister. You are a sister? Me. Do you know me? I'm a doctor. Sasa mimi sitakuruhusu uingie hapa. Tafadhali. Sitakuruhusu uingie hapa. Wacha watu wafanye kazi. Wewe unakuja unasumbua. Unajua sasa hivi sitaki kujua itoe maskari, alafu uanze kusumbua kwa kesi nyingine. Wewe sawa, wacha watu wafanye kazi mbona. Tafadhali. Tafadhali tu. Tafadhali. Guys, you know sometimes they're having some people who are disturbing, but I have to tell him no, and which is a no. No entry here when he's drunkard. And he get this man. No. Wewe enda tu ende fanya kazi mracha na nitadeal na yeye. Nifungie gate. Fungia gate tafadhali. I'm this man. Sawa naelewa, lakini no. It's a no. Hawa ni mafundi, wewe umelewa. Sai hapana. Amwa yangu. Hapana. No. No. I've said no. These are masons, and if you are come here when you are sober, when you are working. There's some small kids here, and I don't want a lot of noise. No. There's some people who usually sometimes come and disturb. I think he's one of the guys who came to threaten Madam Esther, and you know he's really stubborn. So because he has seen me bring some masons here, and he wants to make a lot of noise, and there's some kids over there. So with me, I've restricted him not to go in until maybe somebody will put here a security guy. Mura, wewe enda Mura. Takuja kesho. Kuja wakati uko sawa, wakati uja nini. Sawa. Hai. Wewe boda. Boda nifungule pikipiki. Pastor, enda nje. Kaa hapo utasubiria pastor kuja. Kaa hapo nje. Asiingie ndani. Ama zipigwe. Asiingie. Mungu mmoja leo zipigwe. Sawa. Hata zipigwe. Wewe ingia tu, kaa tu hapo nje. Achana mimba. Hakuna watoto wa kike hapo wanaanza kusumbuana hapo. Wewe ingia tu, kaa nje. Ndio hapo mimi naanza kupigwa. Acha nipigwe. Sawa. Don't touch me. Pastor, do you know this? Don't touch me. Wallahi leo. Mura, usiniguze ba. Unamjua? Usiniguze ba. Pastor, do you know this? Do you know this guy? Eda mamangu. Bwana vijana wako wanaanza kuniturafu hivyo. So today is the installation day. I just brought like the tuk-tuk to carry this, so that we will be heading there. We are also carrying this and everything. We are going to fix it actually at Mama Esther's place. That is the orphanage. So we're just trying to tie them because and we'll be going slowly by slowly, easy, because we don't want to go in a rush and they crash. Because you see, we have some solars around here. Yeah, I'm trying to tie this one, so today will be installed right now going to be installed. So guys, I'm fairing this from this side from home, and I'm taking them slowly by slowly to the tuk-tuk, easy peasy, to the orphanage. So yeah, let's head there slowly by slowly and we see what's happening. So we are going just slowly. Installation day, pole, easy. It's one thing at a time, step by step. So let's go slowly, one step at a time. Oh, there's some cows here. So this is the school. Some of the kids study here. There's a school here. Some of the orphanage kids study there. But they always study in different schools. So from here and right in front of us, there are the orphanage. See the building with red iron sheets? That's the orphanage. So easy. You see the red iron sheets? That's the orphanage. So we are taking them slowly, pole, and the work is still ongoing. The one which there's the boys' dormitory is still ongoing. And you see how everything is going slowly by slowly. We help where we can, and through the well wishers, we are all blessed. Let's go slowly by slowly. We finish this. So guys, they are entering here, easy. The children's home. So let me take it back. Yeah, so students have just arrived. So yeah, pole man. So just arrived. Mmetupa vizuri. Yeah, so guys, this is what we are doing. So it's levelized, and also this end here. So the same guys will be helping us to install the lights. So just came to check on how stuffs are around. And yeah, also over here the boys are at work. Let me show you what they are doing in here at the other side. So this is the boys' dormitory. Let me see, it's heading over here. Nigga cha. So the work is still ongoing, slowly by slowly. Others are starting from up so that they can start finishing. Others are from this side. You know, these are brothers. The two of them are brothers. You can see the work that they are doing. Which means from here, everything will be done. We'll be almost finishing this. Yeah. Yes, we are here trying to install the lights. So we have to reinforce it. Tatona nitaambia magana jomba mama kama nene to reinforce ma. Kama hii. Kitu kama hii. He later became a good friend of mine. Yeah. Unasema ulikuwa kwa rafiki yangu. Sasa something. Huyu jamaa ameonea huruma. Ameonea huruma hawa dogo wenzangu. Amesema aje utaweza waokoa aje waekeo flow. Lakini kaseme takajashika, lakini kalikuwa kanusu. This guy is very funny. We really love how so he was drunk and he wanted just to come with force. So we decided to cool him down, and he's really okay. So we are doing here.
Sikupenda kwake uwaga. Anasaidia mamangu pasta.
Sawa.
Seti alikuwa na morari. hakuwa na morality ya nani. Hata yeye ameguswa.
Simiti inaenda chini mora. Tuko na hivi.
Na kwanza tulikuwa na
so we are trying to do this.
Na tuko na kadogo. Si ni kweli bro?
Mura hivyo utaumia.
Ama tuweke yote.
Hivyo utaumia.
Ama tuweke yote.
Usiweke yote. So we are trying to do this. To see how it is, then we can reinforce it. Slowly.
Jambo.
So that's how you see we are trying to reinforce it with what we call like
this something is there.
Yeah. So this one, guys, it's also standing tall, as you see. So let's wait and see how it will be. That's how you see. This one is also ongoing. So I want to just work something here. Let me show you what we need to do. Put this one out is the level of that, and it's okay. So we are heading to the other side, and we will be finishing with this. We are installing the second one on this side. See how we are going to install it over here. Okay. Yeah, so guys, as we are doing what we call like installing the lights, the solar lights, we are about to do what we call like to check the drunken man has cooled down. I told him if you react to this, I'll take you to the police. So he just became a good friend, and Mama Esther allowed him because he was like, he's our neighbor and everything. Now the boys' dormitory is clean, sparkling clean. It's sinanukia vizuri sahi mura. Sahi ni safi. Sahi inanukia vizuri. Mtandike vitanda vizuri, mleo mtalala sehemu clean, si ndio? Yeah, so guys, as you see, also this one was washed and the state of the beds. So let's finish this boys' dormitory, and we will do what we call like put up beds and everything. So as you see, today's work, it's still ongoing. Mshamaliza chapter 1. Chapter 1 is almost, so this chapter 2. This is chapter 1, and it's almost, they finished this. So you can see how clean it is all the way. We started from up, because some could have started from just over here downwards, but because we'll be putting double decker beds, I told them to put up to the upper side. Yeah. So also you have to see the other side. It's sparkling. And also this other side. Despite that we started late, we are almost finishing this room. And this one, they did what we call like levelizing it. Hopefully, I saw some people coming in, and hopefully you'll chip in, guys, kindly. It's a request. And also some YouTubers also came. So let's wait, we see what's happening. And yeah, so the accountability is what I'll be giving you easily, slowly by slowly, as we finish. And you see, it's just a good work, well done for today. In here, it's being levelized as we started with this. So what is remaining is bricks, and we will be done. So we are keeping on installing the lights, and also working here easy, you know, slowly by slowly. Yeah, so guys, as we are doing what we call like installing the lights, the solar lights, we are about to do what we call like to check the drunken man has cooled down. I told him if you react to this, I'll take you to the police. So he just became a good friend, and Mama Esther allowed him because he was like, he's our neighbor and everything. Now the boys' dormitory is clean, sparkling clean. It's sinanukia vizuri sahi mura. Sahi ni safi. Sahi inanukia vizuri. Mtandike vitanda vizuri, mleo mtalala sehemu clean, si ndio? Yeah, so guys, as you see, also this one was washed and the state of the beds. So let's finish this boys' dormitory and we will do what we call like put up beds and everything. So as you see, today's work, it's still ongoing. Mshamaliza chapter 1. Chapter 1 is almost, so this chapter 2. This is chapter 1 and it's almost, they finished this. So you can see how clean it is all the way. We started from up because some could have started from just over here downwards. But because we'll be putting double decker beds, I told them to put up to the upper side. Yeah. So also you have to see the other side. It's sparkling. And also this other side. Despite that we started late, we are almost finishing this room. And this one, they did what we call like levelizing it. Hopefully, I saw some people coming in, and hopefully you'll chip in, guys, kindly. It's a request. And also some YouTubers also came. So let's wait, we see what's happening. And yeah, so the accountability is what I'll be giving you, easily, slowly by slowly as we finish. And you see, it's just a good work, well done for today. In here it's being levelized as we started with this. So what is remaining is bricks and we will be done. So we are keeping on installing the lights and also working here, easy, you know, slowly by slowly. Yeah. So we are trying to put a lot so that also this light will be helping to light this side of this.
Achana na huyu mtu alibarikiwa na nguvu zake.
Sawa. Haya mura. So Morembe ndugu mura. Kura vitano. Sawa. Hai.
Angalia hata wewe fumbi bana.
Nimeona. Sawa, umefanya kazi
mingi mura.
Yes, so.
Nikaona aje niwakolee
mama.
Mama.
So this side, guys. Yes. So this light will be helping towards this toilet and also the other side. Yeah. So actually you know how to deal with everyone. You should know how to deal with everyone. So guys, yeah, we are installing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one we are going to install it. So yeah, I see the time is going, and also I've showed you we have 5 of them which are already standing. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 here, and the 6th one we were to install it somewhere. Today they were thorough cleaning. I told you today was a thorough cleaning and the staffs were really on a good, so the boys would sleep in a very nice area. Kosalama. So the 6th one will be installed up there, the one you see there. So it's going to stand up again and things will be okay. So that's how everything is going to be. We really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much, guys, and we are really doing this in a good. So God bless you all, and let's keep on moving, working, and you see how everything is around. So the boys' dormitory is still ongoing. Yeah, that's how everything is going. Muy perfecto. Yes, wait for part 2. It's coming very soon, and we see how stuff will be. So one step at a side. Maybe one day when we'll be finishing the boys' dormitory, we do maybe the installation of the solar, or we can do the beddings and everything. So there are 2 moms inside here. Sasa kitandi ko safi kabisa mama. Kabisa sana kura vitano hii. Sawa haya. So the beds are also the beds are also being smart and clean. That's what is going. Yes. So that's how everything is going to be, slowly by slowly, and things will be moving on. So God bless you all.
Me told me now.
Eh.
Is this Coreo?
Eh.
Something is almost this.
Eh.
I'm Mimi is I'm engineer.
Eh.
I'm engineer is talking now.
Eh.
Is this
Until when?
Coreo?
Is this?
Turn through them.
Eh.
I'm an English. I know.
Eh.
I know to understand in English.
Okay.
No. I'm a Mimi. No.
Okay.
This is.
So guys,
I'm
so
a
thank you
Coreo.
so much. So and God bless you
I'm
all
a
guys.
Coreo.
Let's finish and we'll see how it is.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
part 2 is showing you how the progress also is going on. Thank you and be blessed. Yeah.